For those of you wondering what this is a mini humidifier. What it does is to purify the air in your room. Give it, when you add perfume oil into it, or you add oil into it, it works with water to humidify your room, to give your room a nice fragrance, makes it moist, and make it smell better. This humidifier, we added water into it, and then the water turns into something beautiful like this. I hope you can see. Then the humidifier changes color, like it has a glow inside of it also. This is beautiful.